Hi, this is Ursula from Birth You Desire, and today we're going to talk about a little bit about different burping positions for your baby. This is my class baby here named Stinky Pants. Hi Stinky, say hi to everybody. There we go. And there are many, many different ways to burp your baby. One of the ones that has always worked well for me as a mother and as a grandmother is to, when we bring the baby from the breast or from the bottle, to pick the baby up gently and put their tummy directly on my shoulder. Allow them to hang over my back and then just gently tap or rub their back until they burp. This works for the vast majority of babies I know. Some babies prefer to sit more upright and have their back rubbed. Some babies like to lean slightly forward and again have that left side or that back gently rubbed. And some babies also love the swirl. And the swirl is simply holding your baby upright and then doing a little hula hoop with their legs, try both directions, and that usually helps the baby to move out the burp on their own. What we want to avoid doing is we want to avoid hitting the baby's back forcibly. We want to make sure that when we are gently tapping or rubbing, we're starting at the buttocks area and we're moving upward. The baby's stomach's about here. So if we're trying to burp a baby up here, we're basically aerating the milk that's in their stomach. We're creating bubbles that then they're either going to burp or vomit out or have to pass out by gas. So instead, think start low and rub upwards and let the baby work it out that way. I hope this